Hi, I'm Scotty. If you want to learn how to service and repair antique mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Scotty's Clock World. Right, next move. Remove this circlip down here so that we can get the snail off. Put it aside. Just slides off. That's the snail. That's the snail, including a reasonable amount of oil on it. That aside. That wheel there now comes straight off. Right, now we'll remove the ratchets. That's the going side tray, put it away in a separate container, take the ratchet off. The same for the strike side. And the ratchet. All right. Now we need a spanner to fit the nuts, and 7 is not quite big enough. See if I've got a larger one. Yeah, a little bit too big. And 8, 5. Not big enough. 7, a little bit too big. I better try one of these. Too small. There we. Oh, nope, a little bit too big. I haven't got one to fit, so we'll have to use a multi-grip shifting spanner. Loosen the nuts off. Gee, that one's been a bit chewed up. I'll have to square the sides on that again when we put him back in. It's a terrible mess. I'll have to use a pair of pliers on that. Look at that. Excellent. Bit of modern art. This one down here is a bit cut up too, but not quite as bad. So got him now, but dear oh dear. Okay, we'll remove the nuts. Put them in a dish. I'll do that one in a minute. use a little piece of aluminium bar and make a little spanner to fit these nuts. It's going to be too much playing around trying to take them off with pliers. And a shifting spanner I've got here. Slight little bit of movement. Try it again. There we go. Look at the damage that's been done to that nut. Right, that can sit there for a minute and I'll make a little spanner that'll solve the problem when we come to putting them back on again. Once again, accumulated oil. Oh, look at it on the gathering pallet. Down there, under the click and the ratchet. Super duper amounts of oil. Now we're ready to take the top plate off the movement. We lift it up gently just in case there's any tension left in the springs. And it should lift off easily. That. Alright, we'll take that. Now that flirt's come out, that's not a problem. Yuck, look at the gunk on that. Right, I'll set up those wheels so we can see where they belong. There's out, and that one, and that one. All right. There's the side, and those. I think that is probably threaded. Seems to be. Once we get that clutch off, then the rest will be able to come out easily. That piece with the friction fit and very, very tight. Now we can take the clutch off. That piece there. Put him aside. Now that wheel comes off. And that one, and that washer goes underneath down there. We'll put that there. Now we can remove the barrels. And that's something you never do to a clock or part of a clock movement. Look at the G there. Obviously going side train. If you must mark it, use the two tiny little punch marks. You can hardly see. Hasn't marked that one, I don't think. There's a bit of a scratch, but it doesn't say yes, so we'll take those apart later on, clean them and grease them. Now, put the parts back in the correct order, and then we'll move on to the next step. That's the correct orientation of the wheels. Now I'll take them out, put them into our foam block. Then we can prepare the wheels to be put in to the ultrasonic cleaner. And the flight. Goes there. And the warning wheel goes there. Alright, let's finish that bit.